We are friends, so from the Philippines to Iraq. We have a lot here in my country, in our island. Oh, you see? Oh, ayan. Hello. At last, I'm tired na to relax here in the Baghdad Zoo. This one is the Baghdad Zoo. We are here in the Baghdad Zoo. Hello friend, how are you? You are here already. I'm Grace. It's here. Oh. Okay. Oh, ayan na siya. Oh. Ayun. It's too much here na. There is the giant bird also, but I didn't take it. What's that? Okay. Busy pa si Madam, busy. This is what's on there. So, I'm busy also to make video. Ayan. Ayan si Baba siya.
تعال هنا تعال. تعال
Kawan dyan yung mag-friends. Ayan yung mga mag-friends ng mga madam. Okay.
خلي الشوكولاته توصل
Ayun yung mga bata. Maraming mga ibon sila.
شوف جناحاته شوف جناحاته تعال شوف النسر
Yung sa ibabaw. You can come here in weekends talaga. That's what we come here. Ayun, ang liit. It's very small. Oh.
I see the fish.
Yeah, ayun, it's very small. Oh.
What a bird coat.
Yeah, they're small. Oh, see? It's very small. Small.
تعالوا شوفوا الصقر.
It's very small. Ang liit-liit ng mga ano. Oh, ayan. Ayan yung isang best friend ko. Hello, best friend. How are you? Oh. You see? Oh. Ayan. Doon na yung giant kayaw. Giant kayaw na yan. It's long time ago talaga yun. Very nice. Ayan. Flying. He's flying. Ayan yung children ko. Thank you for watching.
يلا روحي شوفي لك I am one.
Dali, go, go there, go.